Hello, welcome to our first episode. This is one of my favourite dishes. So is my dad. It's very good for lockdown because most of the food don't need to be fresh and they're tinned. Also, it's gluten-free, vegan, and vegetarian. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need are 3 canned chickpeas, 2 canned tomatoes, 3 onions, bit of oil, vegetable oil, 1 large chili. That's optional because you might not like chili too much. A large amount of ginger, ground coriander, ground turmeric, and ground cumin. Also, you'll need 1.5 lemons. The equipment you will need is a knife. Remember, always be supervised while you're using these things. A large pan, quite big, heavy. One of these things. A cup, you'll see why in a minute. And a chopping board. You'd like to start by cutting these onions, so you should start with cutting the ends off, then cutting the other end off, then cut it in half, then you take off the peely bit and the first hard layer. So once you've got those, you now start cutting them quite finely. So yeah. Okay, so now that we've chopped two of the 3 onions finely, we are now going to oil up the pan. So you should put about, and just spread it around the pan. Okay, so you should let this oil boil for a bit. After you've done that, you will scrape these into the pan. Okay? Okay, so now that you've cut them and the oil is hot enough, you're now gonna put all of these onions, and be careful for it not to spit back at you, because yeah, dangerous. And let them cook till they're lightly brown. So you should just stir these up a little bit. Every so often, yeah, just give them a little stir until lightly brown. This is where the cup comes in. So whilst our onions are frying, we will be preparing the cup, a flavour cup. So you will need 1.5 lemons, a chili if you want, you don't always have to add this, a ginger, and 1 onion. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting the onion. So now that that we've got these like this, we are actually going to grate them. I didn't actually mention this whilst I was talking about the equipment, because I forgot, but okay, so you still need. So we're going to start by grating these on this edge, and so yeah. Okay, so now that we've grated the onion, you should put it in a cup, put it to the side, and now start grating the ginger, the skin off it. So just do that. I'm not very good at grating. It's green. So now that we've peeled the ginger, we can grate it the same way that we peeled the onion. Okay. No. Hey. Time lapse, remember? Okay, so now that we've grated it, so we get 2/3. We'll actually section up into thirds. 2/3 of it goes to the cup, and a rough 1/3 goes to the pan. Okay. Okay, now for the rest of the cut. So get your chili, cut off both ends, and the other end, then cut it in half. Remember, this is very spicy, so don't lick your fingers after. I'm going to say that now. So take out the seeds with your knife, or with your fingers, doesn't really matter. But just, yeah, if you're doing it with your fingers, really do not lick them, just wash them straight after. Spicy. So as I did part of that with my hands, I'm just going to wash them quickly. So, okay, now cut them into strips like these, then slice them up really finely. Okay, so now that you've added the chili to the cup, we are gonna get you have to cut the lemon. This part's already cut, and put it into a squeezer and squeeze it into the cup. Now that you've added the lemon, we are gonna add about that much of salt into the mixture. Then put it. Oh yeah, then we stir it up. The lemon juice, the chili, and all the other stuff that we put in there. Give it a little stir. Then put this in the fridge. Do you remember, always keep stirring this like every 1 minute? Okay, now that we've done that, get a heaped tablespoon of ground coriander and put it into here. Okay. Now do the same with the ground cumin. 1 heaped tablespoon. Stir it up a little bit. After 2 minutes of the spices heating, we get the tomatoes, the tomato sauce, and just pour a load of that into 2 tins worth into the pan. Don't let it. Try not to let it spit back into your face. Now for the chickpeas. Allow the sauce to simmer for around 10 minutes at a medium heat. Then get 1 teaspoon of turmeric, but be very careful, this thing is insanely yellow, and tip it in. Now, once you've added that, also stir it a little bit. Now, get your 3 cans of chickpeas and drain 2 of them, but keep one of them with the water in. So we get our drained chickpeas and pour them in. Ooh. And then our non-drained chickpeas, and also just put them in right after. Okay, now let that to stir for a while. Stir it in really good. And just make it so it just literally looks like how you'd eat it. Okay, so after you have let this cook on a low temperature for around 30 minutes, as you can see here, it is time to add your cup of flavour. Okay, so I'm just gonna tip all of it in. So just stir that in nicely. Make it really good. Don't let it sit on the top, because then you'll just get lots of flavour in some places and not as much flavour in the others. When you serve it up, you can serve it with coriander and even some natural yogurt, but don't have it sweet yogurt, have it plain. It can be soya, it can be milk, it doesn't really matter. And there we go. Oh, this looks delicious. That was so good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye! Okay, so now... Gross. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can start grating off the skin of the garlic.